Good morning, children. Yesterday we learned a new alphabet R. And today we are going to revise alphabet R through a rhyme.
Rocky R loves to rock and roll along with his pet rhino. For the words that start with R, the people will go far. Words like Rocky and his rhino rock and roll. R, R, R.
And now we will do a fun activity of alphabet R.
In this activity, we will require red color paint, fevistick, rice, empty bowl and a spoon. Which color is this? Red. R for red. What is this? Rice. R for rice. First, we will put some red color in the bowl. And now we will add some rice in the red color to make the rice of red color. R for rice and R for red color. Like this. Now we will put the red color rice on the letter R. But before that, we will apply the fevistick on the letter R so that rice can stick on it. Children, you can do this activity at your home with your parents. Now, we will put the rice on the capital R. This is capital R. Which color rice are we putting? Yes, red color rice. R for rice, R for red color. Like this, you can do this activity at your home. This is capital R. This is capital R. Capital R, Mama R. Now we will put the red color rice on small r. Like this, we have to put the rice on the alphabet R. This is small r. Look children, we have put the red color rice on the alphabet R.
Let's solve the worksheet of alphabet R.
This is the worksheet of alphabet R. I have colored the picture of rabbit with pink color. I hope you all children have colored the picture of rabbit in the same way.
I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you, kids. Bye.